Hello students, I am your chemistry lecturer Mahesh. Today we are going to discuss about second PUC chapter. So before go to that, we will discuss some basic concepts. For example, you have studied in your lower classes, that is matter. Right? So what is matter? For example, I am using this chalk piece. It is also matter. So what is this duster is there? Also matter. Or anything surrounding us, right, which has mass, right, and occupies space, that is called here matter. Or simply you can define here, matter is anything which has mass and occupies in space. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಪೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಯುಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Right? And here there are mainly two types of classification of matter. Means we can classify the matter based on here physical classification and chemical classification. ಎರಡು ಥರ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. Here, right, we can classify the matter into here based on these two. ಯಾವುದು physical classification ಮತ್ತು chemical classifications. So here the based on physical classification, right, and here, so these are classified as here solids, liquids, and here gases. Right, so these are classified based on here physical classifications, solids, liquids, and gases, and here the based on chemical classifications, pure substances and here mixtures. So again pure substances, here elements and compounds, and the mixtures are homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Right, and here based on here physical classifications, and these two terms, liquids and gases, we have already studied in PUC first year, the chapter states of matter. States of matter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆರಡು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ದಿ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ? ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ which have definite shape and definite values. Now how can define here? Liquids are the substances which have definite value but not definite shape here. Right? And here, so gases, right? So gases have neither definite shape and not definite values. So these are the simple terms we have already studied in PUC first year. And today, for second PUC, we are discussing this chapter, the solid state. The solid state. The solid state. Look. So the solid state here. Here, now only we defined solids are the substances, right, which have definite value and definite shapes. Right? And here there are two important factors which decides physical state of the substances. So those are here intermolecular forces and thermal energy. Here two factors, intermolecular forces and thermal energies. So they define the physical state of the substances. For example, in case of solid, right? So in case of solid, the intermolecular forces predominates over what here? Thermal energy. Right? So here in case of solid, the intermolecular forces predominates over the thermal energy. Andre intermolecular force ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ as compared to what? Thermal energy. So in case of liquids, so both are comparable with one another, right? So liquids ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ intermolecular forces ಮತ್ತು thermal energy both are comparable with one another. So in case of gases, so here intermolecular forces, right, here very less, means thermal energy predominates over water intermolecular forces. So therefore here and these liquids and here gases you have already studied it in UC first year. So therefore